Okay, so I'm going to have to be quick because my camera's running out of battery. But today I'm going to be unboxing the EOS 60D from Canon. This is the single lens kit, so let's get into it. In here we have warranty card, disc, manuals, strap, power cord, charger, battery, AV leads, USB cable, the lens itself. We'll get to that later. Not too much later, otherwise we'll run out of battery. And here is the camera itself. This thing is heavy. This is my first SLR and I'm going to be filming the videos on it from now on. So, pull it out of the thing. Here we go, this is the Canon EOS 60D. Wow, it's big. It's got a little flip out screen. That's going to be good for videos. All your buttons and things. ISO, There's the front. Here's top view. All good. I suppose I'll get the lens out and just show you that quickly. I mean quickly because this thing is just signaling that it's going to power off very shortly. Here we have the lens. All good. It is a 55mm, just your standard lens. All good. So that has been the unboxing of the Canon EOS 60D. Thanks for watching.